Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So today I want to discuss the exercise parts of factorization. So before also we did so many exercises and example also, as well as theory part, so many things we did, but that few exercises are there, that's why little we are doing. Today we will do hard the remaining portion of the exercise 17b. Okay, today we will do hard exercise 17b, the remaining the problems. Okay, so before going to start, that few important things are that, like that, those who are watching these videos, please write your name in the comment box. Okay, from there only we can understand how many students are watching. And another important thing, that you should get ready with your copies also, because you should practice it also. Clear? You should try it also, so that's why you should get ready with your copies. Clear? And another important thing, that few students are sending their work and few students are not sending their work. Why? What is the reason, sir? You are not a small kid, you are class 8, so that means you have the sincerity, no? So that's why you should do the work properly. Not only maths, other subjects also you are getting, teachers are sending their work, they are sending videos as well as giving homework also, but you are not doing properly. So why? What is the reason? You are sufficient time you are getting, so you should utilize the time properly. Clear or not? You are staying at home, you are enjoying also sometimes, that is okay, but you should read sometimes, you should practice it also, otherwise everything will forget. Clear or not? And if you practice, no, that is good for you only. Clear? Clear or not? So that's all. We are requesting that please do your work properly. Okay, you are senior students, so you should do the work, and if any doubt you should inform to the teachers. Okay, clear? They will help you. If any doubt, any problem, they will help you. Clear? And homework should be finished and you should submit to the teachers. Maths, every day you should practice maths, and as well as other subject also, science, arts, basically main subject, you should do it properly. Clear? And you should submit to the teachers. Clear everyone? This is our request. So after that, your choice. Clear? Okay, so now let's start. I hope exercise 17b 1 to up to 5 finished, I hope. Last class was there like that, last class 1 to up to 5 finished. So today we will start from question number 6. Okay, today we will start from question number 6. So all problems are easy, but your concept should be clear, otherwise that problem will arise. So that's why you should practice it as much as possible. Example, exercise, we are explaining also, that one you should practice it. Whatever we are doing, that one you should practice it. Clear? Okay, now see question number 6. Question number 6 is telling 3ab minus 6bc, 3ab minus 6bc minus 3ax plus 6cx. Okay, just check the question is correct or not. If any mistake is there, suppose plus sign or minus sign mistake, means you won't get the answer. So that's why after writing the question, you should check that question, that is correct or not. Okay, so 3ab minus 6bc, okay, minus 3ax plus 6cx. Okay, question is correct. Now we will do the factorization method. Okay, we will do the factorization. So how to do? We know that total how many terms? Check it. Here 4 terms, no? Here 4 terms, so we will take common from 2 terms, any 2 terms. Okay, either 1 or 2, otherwise 1 and 3, otherwise 1 and 4 also possible. Clear? You should check it, little bit check it, and just inform me. So which one will take the common from the two terms? Which 2 terms will take the common? From which 2 terms will take the common? First 2 terms which one, and last 2 terms which one will take? Just inform me. Okay. See, if we take first and third, common portion is there. Yes, numerical coefficient here 3, here 6, common portion is there. Next, here here b, but b also is there. A in first term a is there, second term no a, that means no need, leave it. B, first term also b is there, second time also b is there, that means we can take common. Clear? Okay, next see third term and fourth term, we can take it common. Any common portion is there or not? Check it. Yes, common portion is there, because 3 and here 6 common is there. Next x also common, here also x also common, means we can take the common. So that's why at first we will try which one, first two terms and next last two terms. Understood everyone? Clear or not? So that's why we will take common. So take common from first two terms, 3 common, b common, okay, 3b common, 3b common. So after common, what will get in the bracket? From first term we will get what? A, will get or not? A minus second term, see, b already common taken and 6 was there, we have taken what? 3 taken, so 2 will come, because 3 2 is 6 or not, 2 will come. Understood? Clear? And c, remaining c will come. Clear? That means a minus 2c, that one will come in bracket, and 3b common. Clear? Okay, now next two terms, here minus 3 will take common. Clear or not? From next two terms we will take what? Minus 3 common. Okay, and not only minus 3, just a minute, not only minus 3, and ax also common is there, no? Yes, x also common is there, 3ax, x also common is there, so minus 3x will be the common. Understood? Clear? Okay, so after common what will get here? A will come from third term, means here only. Clear? A will come. Next here plus sign, from plus we have taken common minus, so what sign will come? Minus sign will come, because I told you minus to plus means what? 2 minus, plus means 2 minus, already 1 taken here, so another minus 1 will come here. From 6 3 taken, so 2 will come, x already taken, so only c will come. Now check it in the bracket, correct or not? Yes, a minus 2c, here also a minus 2c, means that is correct. Concept clear? So a minus 2c common, and after that here 3b minus 3x. Clear? Everyone clear? Clear or not? 3b minus 3x. Next, see one important thing, that another one thing also we can get a common, because see here 3b, here 3x, so which one will get the common? 3 we can get it the common, no? Yes, 3 can we get the common, that means 3 we can take from here also or there also. Understood or not? Understood? That means we can write 3, we will write like that before. At first we will write 3 common, 3 are common taking from here only, 3b and here 3x, so that's why we are taking common 3. Okay, after that this bracket we are writing here a minus 2c. Clear? And the remaining portion what? After common what are we getting here? B, so b minus x, that is the answer. So 3 into a minus 2c into b minus x. Clear? This is the answer. Question number 6. I hope understood everyone. Concept clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next question, see question number 7. Question number 7 is telling a square plus ab into 1 plus b plus b cube. Yes, b cube is given. A square plus ab into 1 plus b cube is given. Question number 7. Okay, so I am writing here question number 7, a square plus ab into 1 plus b cube. This is the question. A square plus ab into 1 plus b cube. This is the question. Try it everyone try it. Everyone try it, otherwise I will explain. Okay, you should try it. You are trying everyone? Okay, now see I am doing. So a square plus, remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, we will multiply by ab, no? So ab in bracket 1 is there, so ab into 1 means what will come? ab will come. Clear? Clear or not everyone? Clear? After that plus sign in bracket was there. Next ab and there b, ab into b, ab square, ab into b, b square, because 2b and 1a, so that's why a b square plus b cube. Understood everyone? Clear or not? Clear? Clear? Okay, now we are getting, see how many terms we are getting? Total 4 terms we are getting. Now you can do it. just take common from any two terms. Just think about it, which one will take first two, or first and third, or first and fourth, which one will take, just check it and say. See, if we will take common from first two terms, what will common? A will be the common, because a square is here and here ab is here, means only a we can take the common. Clear or not? Clear? So, and third and fourth term, there also common is there. Yes, b square common, because b square there b cube, so which one will common? B square common. Okay, so we will take what? Which one? First two terms we will take common, and last two terms we will take common from last two terms and from first two terms. Understood everyone? Clear? Okay, now take common a. If we take common a, so what will come here? A will come, because a square was there, a we have taken here one time common, so another one time will come, plus here ab, from ab a taken, so b will come. Understood this one up to this one? Okay, next plus sign. ab square and b cube, common portion is there. Yes, b square common portion is there, b square common. So if we take common b square, what will come here? In bracket a will come, plus here a sign, see all signs are positive, that's why no you should not think like that. Okay, just easily we can do it. Hey, don't worry, but we will take the common only. Here no positive sign, no, only positive sign, negative sign is not there, so that's why that is the very easy. Okay, now see, b cube, b square taken common, so only one time b will come. Up to this one clear or not? Check it once, and if any problem inform me, just write in the comment box, I can see. Clear? Now in the bracket, see a plus b, and here a plus b, same thing is coming. Yes, same thing is coming, that means correct. Now then what will come? The bracket portion will come a plus b, and the remaining portion what? A plus b square will come. That is the answer. Clear? That is the answer. Clear or not? Clear everyone? Clear or not? Next question what? Next question what? Question number 8. 6, 7 finished. Now question number 8. Question number 8. At first read the question everyone. Question should be, you should read. Okay, you should read. After that you should try it. I am writing the question: x y square plus x minus 1 into y minus 1. This is the question. X y square plus x minus 1 into y minus 1. Clear? X y square plus x minus 1 into y minus 1. This is the question. Okay, clear? Question clear? Now try like question number 7. No, we will do like that, like question number 7. Clear or not? You should try it. Okay, see, I am doing, but whatever we are doing, you should practice it. Okay, without practice that problem will arise again and again. I am telling, please practice it as much as possible. You should practice it. Okay, now see, here x y square plus removing bracket. If we remove the bracket, what will come? X and there y, no, because y multiplication is there with bracket, so that's why x and y will be multiplied. That means xy will come. Clear? Next, here minus sign middle, put minus sign here, and here 1, no, 1 into y only. Okay, next minus 1. Up to this one clear or not? Check it once. Just we are removing the bracket only, and after removing, just multiplication, normal multiplication, x into y xy, or minus 1 into y only. So that is the coming. Clear? Now 4 terms is coming or not? Yes, 4 term is coming. Okay, now we will take common. See which one will take common. Try it. Which one will take common? From first two terms common is there. Yes, common portion is there. X also common, y also common, because here y square, there y, means common we will take x and y. Clear? Okay, so we will take common from first two terms and last two terms. Okay, so take common. So xy will be the common, xy will be the common. Clear? Okay, now so after taking common, what will come here? After taking common, what will come here? X already taken, y was there 2 times, only 1 time taken, so only 1 time will come, y will come only 1 time. Clear? Next plus sign, put plus sign here, and there second term x and y already taken, nothing is there. Nothing is there means what is there? Nothing is there means 1 is there only. Clear? Concept clear? Clear or not? Now third and fourth terms, any common portion is there or not? Check it once and say from third and fourth terms, common portion is there or not? Common portion is there. Yes, common portion is there. Which one? Minus is there, minus. Okay, minus is there, minus 1. Nothing is there means minus is there, that is compulsory, and nothing is there means only 1 will take. Nothing is there means we will take common 1. Okay, that means minus 1 we are taking common. So after common we are getting what? From third term y is coming. Clear? And here minus will be taken common, so plus sign will come. Clear or not? And from 1 taken, so what will come? What will come? 0 or 1? Not 0, 1, because 1 1 ja 1. We have taken here 1, no, so that's why 1 will come here. You wouldn't write that 0. If you write 0, so that is wrong, absolutely wrong. Okay, now check it in bracket, same thing is coming or not? Yes, same thing is coming, y plus 1. That means correct. Correct or not? Correct. So that's why y plus 1, that is the common portion, we will take it again. And after common, what will get? The remaining portion will get. Remaining portion what? xy, and here minus 1. So that means it is coming y plus 1 into xy minus 1. Clear? Y plus 1 into xy minus 1. That is the answer. Clear? Concept clear? Same process, all problems are doing the same process, but the data are the various type of data are given, so that's why you should little bit simplify at first, after that do calculation, normal calculation, but concept should be clear, otherwise that problem will arise. Clear? You won't get the answer, because here in the bracket, no bracket, the same thing will come, and when we are taking the common, that portion also will be the same thing will come in the bracket. Otherwise sometimes we are getting in first terms we are getting one thing, and second term in the bracket we are getting another thing. That means that is wrong, means any mistake is there. Clear? Clear or not? That means 6 7 8 complete. Clear everyone? Okay, now question number 9. Read the question everyone. Question number 9. Question number 9 is telling b square minus ab into 1 minus a minus a cube. B square minus ab into 1 minus a cube. Okay, this is the question. So how to do, what to do, just do it. 7 8 9 the same problem, you should try it. Okay, try it everyone. You are doing, you should do it. See, first what, b square was there, no, so I am writing here b square. Okay, minus we should remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, this minus ab will multiply in this bracket portion, no, whatever is there in the bracket, that one and minus ab will be multiplied. Clear or not? Clear? So that means here minus ab in out of bracket, okay, and here inside 1 is there, so minus ab into 1 what? Minus ab into 1 means what? Same thing will come, because if we multiply any number by 1, what will come? Same thing will come. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now after that what? Next minus is there. See, inside minus and outside minus, so minus this sign will be changed, plus sign will come, because you are multiplying, no, so that's why minus into minus, what sign will come? Plus sign will come, not minus sign. Okay, now what will come? ab into a means what? ab into a means a 2 times, means ab into a means what? A 2 times is coming, means a square, and a square b is coming. Clear? Clear or not? Next minus a cube. Understood everyone? Clear? Okay, so now it is coming 4 terms. After that you can take the common. Clear or not? Now you can do it or not? Yes, you can try it everyone. Those who good students, please you should try it. Okay, you won't, you just don't see that a answer, you don't see, please you should try it at first. After that you will see the solution. That is the creativity of the students, the good students. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now we will take common. See, from first two terms common portion is there or not? Yes, common b is there. Here b square, here b, we can take common b. Okay, and third fourth term, yes, common a square is there, common, because here a square and here a cube, that means we can take the common. So that's why we will take common from first two terms and from last two terms. Clear? From first two terms and from last two terms. So take common. So if we take common b, so what will be the common? What will be the common? Say b will be the common. So after taking common b, what will come here? B, because b square was there, b only taken b one time, so another b will come. Clear or not? Minus. So from second term b taken, so only a will come. Understood? Clear everyone? Clear or not? Okay. Next third term and fourth term common portion is there. Plus sign at first will come, sign will come at first. Okay. Next a square will be the common. See why a square? Because third term a square is there and fourth term a cube is there. So that's why you, which one will be the common? A square will be the common. Okay. A square common. Clear? So after taking common, what will come here? B will come, because B remaining portion is coming. Remaining portion, no. So that one will come in bracket. Next minus sign, because plus sign common taken, minus sign will come. Okay. Okay. Next a square already taken, so only a will come. Clear? Now see, in bracket portion same portion is coming. Here also b minus a and there also b minus a. B minus a is the common portion is coming in two brackets. Clear? That is correct. Now we will take the common. So b minus a, that is the common. Okay. So after taking common b minus a, what will come? The remaining portion will come. Remaining portion means from first term b will come and second term a square will come. So that is the answer. That means b minus a into b plus a square, that is the answer. Clear or not? Same process, but data are different data are there. So you should calculate it like that. The same process you should calculate it. Clear? That means b minus a into b plus a square. Clear? Understood everyone? I have understood. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, next question what? Question number 10. Question number 10, read, everyone read. Question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 is telling y square minus y into 2b plus a, okay, plus 2ab. What is the question? Y square minus y into 2b plus a plus 2ab. And after writing the question, no, you should just check it, because if any mistake is there in the question, no, whatever you are writing, no, the question, if any mistake means problem will be there, means your answer will be wrong and you will get the 0 marks. Clear? So that's why your after writing the question you should check it once. Clear? Here also same process, bracket given inside. So at first remove the bracket and try it everyone. Remove the bracket and try it. You are trying or not? You should try it. Okay, everyone try it. Try and try, but don't cry. You know that one also you should mind it. Okay, everyone. Okay, now see, at first what? Y square, I will write y square at first, minus what? We will remove the bracket. So bracket will remove. So minus y and 2b will be multiplied. No, minus y and 2b will be multiplied. So what will come here? 2b y will come, because 2b inside and outside minus y. So that's why minus 2b y will come. Clear everyone? Clear or not? Clear? Next what sign will come? See, here minus outside and inside plus sign, minus plus minus sign will come. Okay, you should think about it. Okay, because you are multiplying, no, so that's why opposite sign means that opposite sign means what sign will come? Negative sign will come. Minus into plus, minus will come, and minus into minus, plus sign will come. Same sign means positive sign will come. Clear? Concept clear? Negative sign, that opposite sign means when we are multiplying by opposite sign, that time minus sign will come, and when we are multiplying the same sign, that time plus sign will come. Clear? Okay. Now minus y into a, minus y into a, that means we can write y, a and there y, that's why ay and minus sign will be there. Next plus 2ab, next plus 2ab. Clear everyone? Clear or not clear? Okay. Now what? Now what to do? See, we are getting 4 terms or not? Yes, we are getting 4 terms. Now you can do it. Easily we can do it. Any common portion is there or not? Check it once. In first 2 terms, yes, y common is there because here y 2 terms means y here square is there means y 2 times is there, and here y 1 time is here. So that's why y will take common. Clear or not? Any other things common will be there? No, no common. Okay. Otherwise, just check it. Now keep it. No need to take now. Third and fourth term, check it once. Any common portion is there or not? Yes, a will be the common. A will be the common. Yes, common portion is there. So that's why we will take first 2 terms common and last 2 terms common. Clear? So if we take first 2 terms common, what will come here? From first 2 common means what will be the common? Common y will come. Okay. So after taking common, just I am writing here equal sign. Okay. The equal sign should be straight. Okay. Okay. So after taking common y will come. Why? Because y 2 times was there. We have taken here 1 time common. So 1 time will come. Clear? Next minus sign. Second term 2b y common. So 2b left. So 2b will come. Clear or not clear? Next. Third term and fourth term, common portion is there? Yes, common portion is there. What will be the common? A common. And we will take minus a common because in third term minus sign is there, no? So that's why we will take common what? A or minus a. Which one? Minus a. Okay, because minus sign is there, that's why minus a will take the common. So after taking common minus a, what will come? From third term y will come. Clear? And fourth term plus sign is there, minus taken, so another minus will come. I told you. Clear? Because positive sign means 2 minus is there inside. Only 1 time we have taken here common, so another time will come. Okay. So a taken common, so the remaining portion will come 2b. 2b or not? Yes, 2b. Now see, check it inside the bracket, y minus 2b, here also y minus 2b. Yes, same thing is coming, that means correct. Clear? So that means what will come here? That means what will come? Y minus 2b will come in bracket. Clear or not? Y minus 2b, and the remaining what will come? Y minus a will come. Y minus a will come. That is the answer. So y minus 2b into y minus a, that is the answer. That means what? That means what? All problems are same, no? Yes, all problems are same, but you should try it. You should practice it. Clear? At first you should try it. Without solution you should try it. After your solution, getting your solution, you will see that this solution. Okay, clear? That is the main concept. Basically those who good students, for them only I am telling like that, and those who medium like that, medium students, they can little bit see, but you should try it also, because everyone you should try. No, without try how is possible, how will get the answer? Clear everyone? So you should practice it. So another important thing, that few students are sending their work. Again I am telling, so those who are sending, that is okay. Those who are not sending, for them only. If you don't want, that is okay, but since you are a senior student, so you should do the work properly. You are getting work, so you should do it. Okay, so take your homework. What is your homework? Homework what? Exercise means here 1 to up to exercise what? 17b, no? 17b, 1 to up to 10. All problems you will practice it again and show me. 1 to up to, not only today we are doing is 6 to 10, so you should practice 1 to up to 10. That is your homework, 1 to up to 10. Okay, and next problem 11 onwards, that one also you can practice it. 11 onwards, that one also you can practice it. Okay, and show me, no problem that one. If you try, you should try it, no? If you practice, that is good for you only. Clear? You should more advance always, no? So that's why you should do the work properly, and today within evening time you should submit the homework. Okay, today evening time, within evening time you should submit the homework. Within evening you should submit the homework. Clear? So do the work properly, take care of yourself. Bye bye, have a nice day. Okay.